So normally on this channel we do Jeep stuff, but if you drive a Jeep, you know that they're not always the most practical vehicle to take places. So usually we have other cars and we like SUVs and trucks. So today I'm going to be doing a leveling kit on this 2011 Chevy Suburban. Alright, we're going to be doing these 2-inch MaXX Racing blocks. They're about 42 bucks. And let's throw them in. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to pop off the bolts that hold the shock in place. There's one on either side of the shock tower. Alright, so now that I've got the shock loose, I'm going to take my block and a pry bar, and I'm going to pry up the shock and down the control arm. Alright, so I'm trying to shimmy this in, shimmy the bolt into the bottom. Alright, so you're just going to want to shimmy that block into place. Now you can see what I did on the left. I put the nut facing up top, and once this all compresses, it will, the axle shaft will be higher and it won't hit it. And that's pretty much it. Just got the block in there. I'm going to put the sway bar back. It's behind here, but it actually fell out. So I'm going to have to replace that. Alright, so that's pretty much going to be it. Got that in there. Have to get a new sway bar link. Looks like the old one broke on me, the bolt. So we'll have to get a new one next week. But for now, see how it looks.